Everyone, welcome back to How to Auto. Today, I'm going to reveal the secrets to creating viral YouTube shorts. Now, this isn't your typical tutorial. We're going to skip over all the basic advice about niches and hashtags and all of that good stuff. Instead, I'm going to share the exact formula that top creators use to blow up their shorts. Are you guys ready to break the algorithm? All right, before we get into the juicy stuff about breaking the algorithm, we need to understand how it works and how it can be exploited. So if you guys didn't know already, the algorithm is not random and it is not about luck. Sure, there are some cases where luck comes into play, but it's not about luck. The algorithm simply shows the most engaging content on the platform. If you can create something that's engaging, going viral is pretty much guaranteed. To prove this, let's rewind all the way back to when I started uploading YouTube Shorts. I had no idea what I was doing and barely even struggled to break through 100 views. But as I kept improving my content, after 3 months, I hit 10,000 subs on my first channel. But here's where it gets crazy. I made a second channel and within just 3 weeks, I had 10,000 subs without any call to action. How? I knew how to make better content. Believe me when I say the algorithm will recognize good shorts and push them forward. And you can start seeing this happen with your shorts if you follow these steps. An interesting topic is the basis of every viral short out there. You know, without it, you can't hope to get many views. Start by thinking of your intended audience. Who are they and what do they want to see? What types of videos are already performing well? Spend some time considering these questions and you'll be able to find a nice short to upload. Make sure that you guys research the big channels in your niche and see what type of videos work well for them. For example, I found a creator whose most popular shorts targeted a younger audience. You know, think school kids. When he made videos that didn't appeal to his audience, his views plummeted severely. Now, when he realigned his content back to that core audience again, his views went right back up. Always take into consideration who your audience is and what they want to watch. Following this advice alone will make your videos 10 times better, but there's more to it. Let's take a quick look at an example to understand what can go wrong. Imagine a short about Mr. Beast and he's sharing his key secret to success on YouTube. It's pretty attention grabbing, you know, I would click on it. But if the creator reveals too quickly his secrets, people are just going to lose interest and scroll away. That's the key mistake here. The secret should be revealed near the end of the video so that you get that long retention, but you don't want to drag it on. So you got to consider your delivery and execution, and they're almost as important as the actual idea. And this brings to a system that I've been starting to implement in every single one of my videos, short form and long form, called the HPC system. Hook, progression, climax. The hook, you know, the first 5 seconds is crucial. Should introduce the topic while raising questions. For example, I want to be the first person to have a snowball fight in space. This raises questions like, how is he even going to get to space, let alone bring snow? And people are going to watch to find out if it's real or fake or what's going to happen. And progression is the journey. So fulfill the promise made in the hook, show the adventure, build anticipation. Imagine if I said, let's get some snow and pulled out my cooler with ice. No one cares. Instead, let's show me flying in a rocket all the way to space and discovering mountains with snow on the outside of Venus, or, you know, something ridiculous like that. So finally, that brings us to where the climax is fulfilled. So the audience gets what they came for. In this case, it's the snowball fight in space. This structure is going to help keep viewers engaged and ensures they'll watch to the end. Your video might not necessarily be about snowball fights in space, but you can use this exact structure to help your video grow. Most people limit their views without realizing and overlooking crucial details. And I'm not talking about hashtags or titles. That's just the tip of the iceberg. On one of my earlier channels, I experimented with posting frequency and the time of day that I post my videos. I found that the day of the week didn't matter too much, but the time of posting definitely did. Shorts posted in the morning got way higher views, but that's specific to my audience. Make sure you check out your analytics and see when your audience is most active and make sure you post inside that window. I also experimented with how often to post. You know, posting 4 times a day was too much. Only half of them would get picked up and the quality was dropped. Posting twice a week was better, but you know, it's a little bit unproductive. But for me personally, 1 short a day keeps it sweet. It's enough time to make high quality posts while maintaining consistent exposure. But if once a day is too much for you, it's definitely fine to tone it down. Just make sure that you stay consistent and don't go too long without uploading. Lose that initial momentum that you got. And yeah, there you guys have it. That's my proven blueprint for creating viral shorts. Remember, it's all about the topic, structure, and timing. And I promise, if you stick to this formula, you will see results. Your views will skyrocket. Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, leave a like, hit subscribe, and let me know down below. What's your biggest challenge with creating shorts? I'll reply to some of you guys and help you grow for free. Thanks for watching. This has been How to Auto.